All right, guys, today we're doing the Who, You Better You Bet. Let's take a listen. Ooh, you better, you bet. Ooh, you better, you bet. Well, hello everyone. I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all of you guys out there who are trying to learn to play the piano lesson online. I got news. You can do it if you choose the right lessons and you know how to practice, and that's what I'm here for. So let's get started. All right, guys, I want to let you know if you are a member of WebPianoTeacher.com, you can download the sheet I'm using right here. The sheet I write out everything on is the exact sheet you can have if you're a member of WebPianoTeacher.com. If you're not a member, you can still view thousands and thousands of free lessons that I have on the site. So just hop over there and start learning today. Well, let's get started. What I did on this is I tried to mind meld the piano part, the electronic sounds parts, the drums, the bass, the vocals, everything into a pleasing arrangement for our piano solo guys out there who want to play this thing on the piano and have it sound like the album version. That's what we're going for here. So at the beginning we have on the board a low C. We're just going to bomb here. And then what I'm going to do on this, you hear some electronic thing. So that's what I'm copying here. And we're going to do this. C, G, C on the right hand. 1, 2, 5. All right. So those of you who are new, we're doing the part 1 here. The rest of the lessons are on the website, but you can do the part 1 here for free. C, G, C. And then the left hand will come over, and I'm going to play the G like this. Now, the piano doesn't play this at the beginning. It's electronic instrument part, but I'm going to put it in here because I think it works. And it really sounds cool. So I'm crossing over my left hand to play that G. That's going to happen 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That 8th time is going to be different because I'm going to move on. I'm going to play that G with my right hand, and my left hand's going to come down here to the low C. Now you'll have to work on that move a little bit because that's a little bit, that's you got to get there, you know. See that? So work on that move. Bop, bop, bop. Where you're here. That last time, it's not that hard. You just have to get used to that move. So one more time. 1. Then we get into this part. So right here, we have those electronic instruments going and all the everything mixing together. And I thought I just kind of condensed it and figured out a way that's not too hard to play, but it's going to sound like the album version. Those open fifths, you hear that? An open fifth sound. If you have a full chord like C, E, G, you have that third of the chord, the E in there, and that kind of fills the chord out. But we have an openness here, an open fifth sound. That's what we're going for because that's what we have in the music. So we want to keep that openness, keep the E's out of there so we have that open fifth ring. All right, so C, G, C on the left, right hand will come in with G, C, G in the middle of the piano. So we have, starting here, bum, bum, left, da, 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 left. See that? So starting back over here, 1. And I got the pedal down, that's okay. And it does it 2 times, so I go back and do it the second time. And of course the next part. Ooh, you can even do it up high. I'll show you how to play that. So that's the part where I include actually the vocals in the accompaniment because I think it really belongs. So a lot of the Who's vocals are really crucial to the sound of the song, so I like to put those in there when I can. Okay, so let's go from the beginning, see if we can do it. And go 1. I see I did that wrong actually. That last time. There we go. Okay, that rhythm is very important. One last time for you. right, guys. So there's your free part 1. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gets you started on the song, get you pumped to play the rest of it. There's a lot to do. That's just the tip of the iceberg, okay? There's lots of cool stuff in there. I combined the piano parts and lots of the other instruments. It really sounds cool. It really is a really better arrangement than I thought I was going to be able to do. So it's really exciting, really fun, and not too difficult. So I hope you guys enjoy this part 1. See you on webpianoteacher.com.